everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am doing a very simple everyday makeup, and while I'm doing that, I'll chat about something that made me so happy recently. Our last family eat out, it was seriously the best time, and I'm so excited to share it with you all. So you know how life can get busy, right? From work to family life, to kids and school. Yeah, I started school back. I started this online course I'm learning one or two things from. It can be so tiring, and it can be so hard to find quality time with the family. So after our wedding anniversary, and my husband was like, let's go out. Like last Sunday, let's go out. I was like, hey almighty J boy, let's go out. Me, I'm available for everything, enjoyment. So he managed to schedule this dinner at this amazing restaurant in Lagos, in Ikeja. It's called Afefe Yeye. It's owned by this actor Kule Afolayan. Like, no, I am not going to lie, that dinner is exactly what I needed. Like, I had so much fun. I enjoyed myself. No lies. I had so much fun. The place itself was super cool. Like, it has this really chill vibe, like this vintage vibe. Like, everything there was just giving me memories of 1990 something, this olden day school and all of that. Even the music, they were just playing this Ebenezer Obey, Sunny Ade, that kind of vibe. You feel like, oh man, so cool. No, Opolowa. I said, this man is really talented and so super duper creative. I had so much fun. Like, I enjoyed myself. My kids were super excited. Michael was like, wow, I love this place. They loved it. So Ari was dancing on the table. Like, we ordered this food tray and basmati rice. There's this amazing sauce. There's this amazing sauce. Hi Jesus, this sauce, oh my goodness, it was heavenly. This sauce was heavenly. I don't know how to cook. Hey, I am definitely going back to school just to learn how to be a chef, like how to know how to cook. I want you to say yatsi. And my husband with this chicken, with this gizzard and snail. No. The sweetest part about this whole dinner, eat out and all of that was that I was not even expecting. We're just back from church, and I was about doing my everyday Sunday things, cook, relax and all of that, before my husband was just like, let's go out. I was surprised too, honestly. I was surprised, but I was not expecting it at all. So my brows are ready. Let's move to the next part. The memories alone. See how I'm blushing. We actually, we talked about so many things. We enjoyed ourselves. We actually put our phone away. I was taking pictures and doing videos, doing my normal YouTube stuff, but it got to a point that we had to take our phone away just to have that family time. We talked about school, we talked about work, funny things that happened, our memories and all of that. We talked about so many things. just just catching up and connecting. But honestly, the best part was just being together and talking, having this family thing together, catching up, discussing about our memories and all of that. It really made me realize how important little memories are. It's made me realize how you need to cherish family and all of that. Life can be so hectic, but carving out time for family is so important. It's what really make me the happiest. I left that restaurant feeling so full, not only from the delicious food, but also from laughter and love and this joy and this excitement. ah it was such a refreshing and joyful evening. No, it was such a refreshing and joyful evening. It reminded me of how lucky I am to have my beautiful family. Okay guys, that's it. And this look, by the way, is perfect for evening, like for dinner, for any casual dinner out. It's fresh, natural, and easy to do, right? Right. So what about you guys? What are your favorite dinner outing memories? Share them in the comments below. I love hearing from you all, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more makeup tutorials and chatty videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.